friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Big Gems Diamond Set. Let's get started. First, these are the two sun catchers. And we need to peel these, and with this pen we need to grab a diamond like this one, and then we can put it on these stickers. And we need to put some wax on the pen so that this pen can hold the diamonds. I'm going to show you all of the stickers I made. This is the unicorn. This is a llama. I think this is a llama coin. And this is a rainbow. This is an ice cream with wings. This is a strawberry with wings. This is a diamond. It's so sparkly, right? This is a sea coin. This is a magical wand. And this is a bear with horn. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And also, you can put these anywhere. You can put these on the table, on the wall, in the notebooks and journals, anywhere. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the like button. Bye. Thank you.